Welcome to Stress-Free Coding Video, Angular Part 16. I'm stoked, so let's start right away. Today I will talk to you about button component, available button styles, how to add a button in HTML, button events in Angular. Hey, stop. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Let's take this one step at a time. As mentioned last time, Angular provides a series of graphic components with the material library. Angular buttons are components based on HTML tags of type button or based on HTML tag of type anchor. As with the pre-built themes for our app layouts, Angular also provides to developers a set of predefined styles for the button component. So we can use a simple matte button is a rectangular text button. Matte raised button is a rectangular containing button with elevation. Matte flat button is a rectangular containing button without elevation. Matte stroked button is a rectangular outlined button without elevation. Matte icon button is a circular button with a transparent background meant to contain an icon. Matte fab is a circular button with elevation. And matte minifab is the same matte fab but smaller. Angular provides three themes: primary, accent, and word. Now let's transform the standard button of our app into an Angular button. First of all, to use but component, we add a reference to material button module in app.module.typescript. In imports array. In this way, open HTML file of article detail components, then add the attribute matte button and color to the tag button. Okay, matte button and color equals primary. Okay, save and let's look a new theme. Article list, choose an item, and here is a new Angular material button. Let's play with the color attribute to change its appearance. Change color attribute with accent value. Save and let's see how it changes. And then set color equal word. Save and let's see how it has changed. Now you can try matte raised button. Well, I prefer this style. Now let's transform our text button into an icon type button. To do this, we first add the reference to matte icon module in app.module.typescript file. It happened that Visual Studio Code did not suggest the import. To add in this case, add this string to the code. Import matte icon module from add Angular / material / icon. Let's go back to the HTML file and define the button as matfab. Replace the add to cart string with the tag mat-icon. Inside the mat-icon tag, we need to indicate the name of the Angular material icon we want to use. To know the Angular material icons, go to the site fonts.google.com/icon. Select the material icons from the drop-down menu. Just select the icon, in our case, shopping cart. A series of options will appear on the right, such as the type of environment in which to apply for a web or for a mobile device, density, DP size, color, black or white. At this point, you can copy the name by clicking on the icon in the box or download icon. Let's copy and paste the name of the icon into our HTML code. Let's save and see the final result. Save all. Save all. To execute code on click, write the name of the event to fire in round brackets. For example, click followed by the equals and in double quotes the statement to execute, or better, the name of a function defined in the TypeScript file. If you're curious enough, you can play around with the other types of possible buttons. Well, that's all for today. Like and subscribe to the channel for next free coding video. Bye.